is our time. The sun is coming slowly. I hold these moments closely, closely now. These waves